Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Blistech Solutions Tuesdays Tech Tips. And today's tech tip, I'm going to talk to you about Format Painter, which is available in Microsoft Office applications. You can use it in Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and it can be really useful if you want to update the format of a particular part of your document to be consistent with other things. So if you ever worked in Word, if you use Word a lot, be familiar with this, where there are some things that just don't look quite right. You might have copied and pasted it from an existing document. You might have inherited the document from somebody else, but the formatting's all over the place and it looks pretty awful. So a quick way to sort that out, incidentally, the best practice way of doing this is to use styles and update the styles, because they will automatically update when you change the style, but that's for another day. So if you quickly want to do this, we've got a document here. You can see most of this is consistent, but then we get down here and the formatting's all over the place. So if we want the rest of this document to have the same formatting as what we've got at the top, if we go to the top left hand corner of Word, it's the same in Excel and PowerPoint, we've got Format Painter. We make sure that we're in the area where we want to copy the format from. We click Format Painter and then literally drag across the content we want to change, and it will update it. You can see here we've kept that in bold, but if we run Format Painter again, probably inheriting some settings from previously. That's a quick way that we can easily make a document consistent. The same goes for bullet points. If we've got these fancy bullet points here, we can't remember how we set them up. So if you're going to click on Format Painter, while that bullet point selected, and then highlight the areas you want to have bullet points, it will create exactly the same formatting in that area. So I hope you found this tip useful. I'll see you again next time.